Everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. On my channel you can find lot of hauls and reviews, that is videos related to hauls and reviews. Under haul section I have videos for makeup, skincare, accessories, footwear, bags, you name it, and mostly I have it. And under review section I do have videos related to makeup, skincare, accessories also is reviewed on my channel. And I do have two separate playlists. One is for comparison videos, that is if you want to see the comparison between the two products, or maybe same kind of product but different brands, maybe same brand same kind of products, that kind of comparison video. As well as I have a separate playlist for new launches as well, that is the product which are just recently launched is been reviewed on my channel. And of course, besides new launches and product reviews, I have lot of other videos, other playlist also on my channel. So if this is what you are looking out for, then definitely do consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notification about my future uploads. And since this is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to directly DM me, you don't want to comment and you directly want to DM me, then definitely the link of the Instagram will also be given in the description box. Now without blabbering any much, we will just directly go to the video. Okay, from the title you all must have come to know that today I am going to review a new launch from Plum. Definitely this is not a sponsored video, not a PR video. I have got this product by my own money. That is where actually it got delayed. The product I guess was launched on 4th of January, and as soon as it got launched I placed my order on Plum's own website, because this was exclusively available on Plum's website. I placed my order and you won't believe I received my order today morning. No, not today morning, yesterday morning, and I tried. So one day I used it and today I'm like reviewing. Yesterday, so that is 8th. Generally whenever I place my order to any of the websites, my house residence is in a metropolitan city, so I definitely get the parcel within 2 to 3 days. But this time Plum took long time, and when I called them they said inventory is not there. So that is why I had to wait, and in fact even y'all have to wait. I don't know whether y'all are waiting or no, and I'm not sure. So definitely y'all can see I got this parcel from Plum's own website. I got this box. Okay, in that box this was the packaging and all. Like this aloe vera gel came in this kind of paper packaging. Okay, this kind of paper packaging was there. This aloe vera gel, the product which I'm going to talk about is this. Okay, and the second thing, actually this was, I'm not sure, this came in this. Okay, this is the hand sanitizer gel. Now y'all will wonder why hand sanitizer gel. And yeah, I forgot to tell you, even the sticker which come every time, this is body loving. Y'all know everything because I have already done one review on Plum lip balm. Like I have reviewed all the 4 lip balms. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box, so don't forget to check. I have reviewed all 4 of their variants. In that also I had received this kind of a sheet. This is a sticker sheet. They specify each and everything. Okay, that is like how you can use this and everything. Okay, the second thing is this, that is like their key features and everything. How do we use like your products and everything, clean, real, good by Plum. Y'all can see this is, and over here also they have given you few stickers. These are also few stickers. So if you want to stick this somewhere on your laptop, not on for mobile, at least I don't stick any kind of stickers on my mobile. My mobile is always clean without anything. So if you want to, you can. Okay, this is the packaging part. Main part is like Plum Hello Aloe Just Gel. This is what the name they have given. Okay, it says net weight is 250 grams and it is 99% natural ingredient, free from artificial colors and fragrances. Okay, it is just right with calming, soothing and hydrating properties for skin and hair. You can definitely, this is a multi-purpose product. You can use it on your skin as well as on your hair also. If you want to make some hair mask using aloe vera gel, you can definitely use this hair like aloe vera gel. Okay, the evergreen aloe has been gelled up in the least dilutive way we could to get you just gel, almost nothing else. That is what they have specified. How to use they have given over here. The net content is 250 gram if I forgot, and the MRP is 395 rupees, but right now on the Plum's website, if you check, it is available on 20% off, as well as the combo is also there. If you want to get 2 tubs, you can get on like discount, much more discount than one. So if you want to go for 2, you can go, but I have just got one because I am using right now the Face Shop Jeju Aloe Gel. You all can see, I can just show it. I'll just compare the texture also in some time. So I have this, so that is why I just got one tub, and it is pretty enough. 250, it's more than enough for me. Okay, manufacturing is December 2020. As I told you, it is recently manufactured and it is good for 2 years, that is November 2022. But once you open this product, it is good for 6 months. So within 6 months you have to use this product. Okay, so that is what is the basic specification of this. Now what I'll do is I'll just open both the jar and I'll come back. Actually, I never wanted to waste your time. I just wanted to show you. I don't know whether I can show you or no. This is like I don't know whether the camera will capture. Okay, over here they have just given you a seal. There is no flap or anything. This is directly like the gel. So, and the gel is also in, I'm not sure whether you all can see the texture. It is little bit liquidy, same as the texture of this. Now I'll just show you. I'm not sure whether both will be visible to you or no. No, one second. Then what I'll do is, the Face Shop one actually comes with this kind of, you all must be aware, this kind of plastic. So it is actually very easy and very, like, you can carry it safely. Okay, but over here you do not get any kind of that to stop the spilling or something. Now what I'll do is, I'll take over here the Plum one over here, and over here I'll take little bit of Face Shop one. We are just going to check the texture. Okay, there is no need actually to compare. I'll just show you. This one is the Plum one. I have kept my cloth also just to wipe my hands. These are the clean hands. And this is, one second, let me see. This is the Face Shop one. This is the Plum one, this is the Face Shop one. Now when you check the color and everything, both the aloe vera gel are of same, that is this transparent color. Transparent is actually not a color, but you all can see these both have transparent texture. But the Face Shop one is little bit thicker as compared to the Plum one. That is only one difference what I could find. Okay. And smell, if you check the fragrance and all, it smells exactly like aloe vera. Exactly like, yeah. And spreading also, you can easily spread. You all can see easily. So definitely, this is the Plum Plum aloe vera gel. Now I have just taken my mobile. I'll just read what exactly Plum has to say. And this is not sponsored video, so whatever they are saying, I'm going to say the same thing because they are not like, anyways. I contain 94% aloe vera extract that hydrates and calms your skin and conditions your hair. Now if you want to know how you can use, I can just tell you 3-4 benefits of aloe vera, how you can use it. You can use it as a primer, that is before applying makeup. You can use it as a mask on your face as well as on the hair mask also, if you want to apply for hair mask or something. If you just want to apply as a moisturizer, definitely you can apply on your full body as well as on your face as full body moisturizer. Aloe vera gel can be used anywhere. Okay, if your skin is irritating, itching or something, you can apply aloe vera gel at that time also. It is very soothing and very calming. Okay, so that is what they say. I contain 94% natural aloe that extracts, that hydrates and calms your skin and conditions your hair, as I told you. I have 99% natural easy spreading formula that won't feel heavy on your skin or on your hair. I do agree with that. It is not at all heavy. Okay, I am 100% fragrance free and color free. Right, I agree to that also. I'm 100% vegan, good for planet and for you as well. Yes, this is 100% vegan, and the packaging is recyclable. Suppose whenever you finish any of the Plum's product, and if it is of plastic, definitely do call them up. They have a like a program where they come and collect your product empties back and they give you some cashback in your account. So if you have product empties, definitely do call them and check with them. And I think I have basically covered each and everything for this. Now, reasons why you should use this is what given. Contains soothing aloe leaf juice that is great for your skin, your hair. Rose flower extract helps to calm down irritated skin, as I told you. Acts as a mask and as a hydrator for skin, as I told you. Conditions dull and lifeless hair and act as a setting gel. Yeah, that I have not told you. I forgot to tell you, you can use this aloe vera gel to tame down your baby hair. If you have little bit of like baby hair or something, you can just take little bit of aloe vera gel. You can just spread it on your fingers. You can just apply on your baby hairs and just apply lightly. You can comb it, even that will tame down your baby hair as well. And aloe vera gel is better than any kind of spray or anything, okay, because this is a natural product. It is 100% vegan, paraben free, cruelty free, as always. That is all for this particular product. Now what I'll do is I'll just tell you why I got this particular aloe vera alcohol 70% alcohol formula aloe gel non-stick hand cleansing gel. Now I'll tell you why I got this why I got this product. This is not a recent launch, but my problem is right now, since you all know the situation from which we all are passing through, we have to sanitize our hands a lot of times, and if you don't know, then definitely I would like to tell you, I suffer from very dry skin. As not only my skin, not only my face, my full body is dry, like total dry. So for that, like whenever I use hand sanitizer, I suffer from eczema. And just because of eczema, I do have lot of problem on my hand. And when I went to the doctor, then doctor told me, just because of the sanitizer, washing your hands again and again, you are suffering from eczema, so you have to take care of it. So I thought of it, and I was like, I cannot stop cleaning my hands. So I was like, let's try this particular aloe vera gel. This is like from the Plum. It is Plum 70% alcohol formula. As you all know, we do require 70% alcohol formula sanitizer only for this particular situation. Hello non-stick hand cleansing gel. That is why I got this particular product. It is a smooth operator. It contains 70% alcohol based gel with calming aloe. Does the job without leaving that sticky and tacky feel on the hands. Squeeze out a smidge and rub the hands thoroughly to defend against germs, including viruses. That is what is written over here. It is for 475 ml and the net MRP is 235 rupees. See, everything is given over here. I got the bigger bottle, 235 rupees, and manufactured October 20. You can use it for 2022 September. So 2 years. So this is like, I'll just show you the texture and everything. I'll just take a pump. I'm not sure whether the camera will capture. See, this is the formula, and it is not exactly kind of sanitizer, but this is not exactly too thick and not exactly too thin for a sanitizer. You all can see it is already dried up. Okay, my hands feel very clean and smells exactly like aloe vera. That much I can tell you. So that is why. And if you also have problem, like if you have small kids and all, you don't want to use sanitizer which contains alcohol or something like which is not vegan, and if you want to go for some vegan product, definitely for that purpose you can get this. But this is I got specially for me because I have eczema problem, and I don't think if I'll use this I will have that eczema problem again. That is what I believe, because I am using this product from last one day. As I told you, I received this parcel yesterday. Y'all can see I've already used this much. So as far as my experience goes, I am pretty satisfied with both the products. Only one thing which I found is it doesn't come with I find little bit this unsafe to travel with. That is all, but you can definitely transfer it to some other jar and you can pack it and you can take it away. It's not that way, but this particular doesn't have, whereas this one has. I'm not going to compare the cost and all because cost and everything is differ, and this is little bit older product, but definitely during sale time you can find this on Nykaa also, and even this you can find it on great discount on Plum's own website. So basically I have covered each and everything, but still if you want to know any other detail about this particular product or maybe any benefits where you can use aloe vera gel or anything, I think by this time you all are aware, you all are very smart people, so I don't have to go in detail. But still if you have anything, you can definitely comment down below, or if you want to directly DM me, you can follow me on Instagram, you can DM me over there also, I will reply you there as well. And if you have any other video request also in your mind which you want me to make a video on, that also you can let me know in the comment section. I will try to fulfill your request and I will come up with the video as soon as possible. And if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.